Hi everyone, I am Ruhan and I welcome you to PackPal, your smart packing list generator. This project has been essentially created by a single prompt in Boltdotnew. So in this P project, you input your destination, your duration, your purpose of your trip, and the other information about your trip, and it generates a smart packing list of all the essential items that you should not forget while going on that trip. So let's start with the demonstration. So first of all, you input your the destination. Suppose it's Tokyo, Japan. You input it, then you input the duration of your trip. Suppose it's 1 week. Then you input the trip purpose. It can be there are a number of purposes like business work, leisure, or vacation, business plus leisure. So let me pick this business or work. Then you can, it's an optional thing. You can input the expected weather or your personal preferences. This is also optional. So let's leave this place as blank for now and click on generate smart packing list. And you wait for some time. And as you can see, your list has been generated. This is the trip summary, which was our trip was for Tokyo, Japan, 1 week, and it was a business trip. These are the essentials which you should not forget while traveling. There are 29 items this app has suggested which you should not forget. Then these are the toiletries which you should not forget. Then here are suggested some electronic equipment which you should not forget, some special items, and finally a travel tip which is very important for your travel. So basically, this smart packing list, Hugger Generator generates a smart checklist for your trip so that you face no problem in your trip. This, in my view, is a very useful tool for people who travel frequently, and many of us, as you know, forget stuff. So this app is built to help them achieve that. So this is all for my PackPal demonstration. Thanking you. Thank you.